Encouraging forgiveness, growth, perseverance, and clarity on how to reach your goals is what I teach. Understanding mindfulness, demonstrating grace, being impactful, and delivering the powerful truths of living a lifestyle of forgiveness is key. Influencing lives with one-to-one meetings, small groups, and live Zooms brings me so much joy. And now everyone can get the same message thanks to ThinkTheFit, e-learning platform. Allow me to walk you through the power of forgiveness at your own convenience, your own pace, and wherever you go. Don't allow bitterness to keep you from reaching your goal another day. Let's start your forgiveness journey today by clicking the link in the bio.